everyone, my name is Uriti of grade 8B studying in Fiji Global School, Chennai, and I am here to talk about the topic AI solutions for environmental challenges. There are mainly 4 things that humans should take utmost attention to, and those are pollution, climate change, agriculture, and wildlife loss. First, let's talk about pollution. Data from sensors and satellites can be analyzed by AI so that we can find the root cause of this pollution in air and water. Once we find out the root cause, then we can take timely action against it. Second is climate change. One best way to overcome climate change is to practice sustainable development. And sustainable development, we can include solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy. But how will AI come into this? AI can help us to get efficient plans to utilize this energy efficiently. Through this, we can utilize the 100% of the electricity and energy which is reaped out of these energy sources. Third is agriculture. We can make agriculture smarter by using AI. We can add soil sensors, air, water, gauges, and many more instruments so that we can monitor each and every domain of the soil so that we can practice agriculture more efficiently. This can lead to higher yields and lesser wastage. Fourth, the last but not least, is wildlife conservation or wildlife loss. So, how can we prevent wildlife loss using AI? Well, wildlife can be protected using camera traps, drones, satellites, imagery, etc. Here, we can use AI to monitor their habitats, to monitor endangered species, to check on them, to give them timely routine checks, etc. Through this, we can save the endangered species of animals. AI has a vast use in itself, and I really hope that we are going to use AI for this thing. So I hope you have learned like how I've learned while doing this talk. I'm so happy to share it with you. Thank you.